Testing an existing site can be slow and error-prone, especially when you're stuck re-entering asset data, flipping through old worksheets, or chasing down past reports. The Test Existing Site flow solves these common issues by pulling up site data stored securely in the cloud. Find your site along with a list of existing assets and historical job reports ready to use in your next job. Luckily, it's simple to import existing asset lists from spreadsheets or external software. Just log into the DT Connect web portal, create your site, and upload a CSV using our template. Your asset list will be ready to test in the app. From the dashboard, tap Create Job. Select Test Existing Site to quickly access site details and testing history. Search for your site by client name or address, or select it from your recent visits. Forget searching through paperwork. Everything is instantly available from the cloud. On the site page, review key details, past job reports, and a complete list of all fire system assets logged during previous visits. Tap Create Job and select the panel and specific assets to test, so you focus only on what's needed for this visit. All selected assets are automatically imported. Begin by entering the panel into test mode, then perform any necessary checks or calculations. Log the fire panel time to account for any time slip. Select the panel test result and add any required notes. To test an asset, tap Test with XTR2. The device will automatically prime the correct test type for that asset. Carry out the test as normal, using your XTR2. The app automatically records the result, even if closed during testing. Use filters to quickly isolate asset types, zones, or loops, helping you work efficiently. For assets not testable with the XTR2, simply enter your result manually. Once testing is complete, return to the panel to finalize your job. Tap Finish Testing to access the job summary. Review all completed tests and add final job notes. For addressable panels, you can reconcile your results with the Fire Panel Event Log for added validation. Check the panel log and tap Alarm or No Alarm to match each result with its timestamp. This adds an extra layer of confidence and traceability to your report. If required, collect a client signature before completing the job. Your full job report is instantly available in the app and the DT Connect web portal for review and archiving. Need to send the report right away? Share it directly from the app. With just a tap, you can generate a detailed, professional PDF report, giving your customer instant proof of testing and peace of mind. The new Test Existing Site flow eliminates worksheets, repeated data entry, and manual asset tracking. Each follow-up visit uses the cloud-based asset list, streamlining testing and ensuring complete, traceable records.